Yeah, hi everyone. This is Naresh Reddy from Brain Booster Institute. So thanks for watching this channel. So if anybody is watching at first time, so please subscribe our channel and welcome to this lesson. So now let us start reasoning class blood relations. So as the part of the blood relations, my dear friends, see now I'm going to teach. Let us see what are the important topics which we are going to learn blood relations. Let us see now. The important topics. The first one, blood relation chart. Blood relation chart. Okay. So this is not a difficult to learn, my dear students. Why? Because as we are Indians, then we know very well the blood relations, isn't it? As we are the family members, so we know everything in the blood relation. Only just I will show the chart. What type of the relations will be there? Then I will show it. And the second one, see the relations with symbol. And the third one, family tree, how to draw the family tree as the most important, and indirect approach, and coded blood relations, and single group family, and introduction of a member. So these are all seven important topics I'm going to include in this tutorial, my dear friends. So that's why if you're watching at first time, please subscribe, please share it, and please like it. Your mom university. Let's start the first important topic, that is blood relation chart now. So this is blood relation chart, my dear students. See, if you see the blood relation chart here, see here me, our brother sibling or sister sibling. Okay. So means if you are a boy, then you assume you are here. If you are a girl, you assume you are here. Okay. Your father and mother. Okay. So I think you might know, my dear students, see the relations from your father is called paternal relation, and the relations from your mother called maternal relations. Okay. So here all relations you can see, my dear students, see. Okay. Mother, uncle, aunt. Okay. Means compulsory, my dear friends. See here your mother and uncle means nothing but, yeah, this uncle is nothing but brother of mother, your mother. So that he will be mother, he will be your uncle. And the wife of the uncle called as aunt. What's the point? And they have the son. If they have the son, then he will become as a cousin or a brother-in-law and cousin-in-law. Okay. And first cousin once removed, finish. And the next one, from if you see the from the father, and father, and what do you say, that the brother of your father can be called as uncle. In Telugu, babai. Okay. In Telugu, what do you say? Babai. Is his wife can be called as aunt. Okay. So aunt here, see, means in Telugu, pinni, chinnamma can be called here. Okay. And antka wife, then the antka husband, then husband of the aunt can be called as uncle. And the cousin-in-law, or brother-in-law can be say that. Okay. And your father can be called a grandfather, and mother is grandmother. The same as it is, similarly your mother can be called as grandmother, and father is called as a grandfather. So please look into this, all the complete chart. You will be able to understand this is a complete the blood relation chart now. Okay. I think no need of explaining the particularly, as we are Indians now. Okay. Now let's learn the next topic. Yeah, let us start the next topic, relations with symbol. Now let's see, in the relation with the symbol, what we are going to learn. See, my dear friends, see here we are going to represent each relations with a symbol to memorize easily, to make it easily. That's whenever we get in examination, so it may take much time to write all the relations. So that, so whenever we are going to draw the family tree, then it is difficult to mention each and every relation. That's the longest word we cannot write in the last time. So that we are going to represent each relation with a symbol. So don't miss it. Please see that now. See, my friend, see, if A is male, if A is the person, if he is male, then it is denoted by A positive. If there is plus symbol upon A, then we can consider A is a male person. If A is female, then we have to show that A minus, obviously. Okay. And if A comma B are both are brothers, means A is the brother of B and B is the brother of A, then means A positive implies B positive. My dear friends, see, both are positive, so that we can say that both are brothers, both are male persons. A is the brother of B and B is the brother of B. If you see down here, A comma B are sisters, means here is the both are negatives, means both are females. So if A is the sister of B, then B must be the sister of A. And the next one, A is husband of B. For example, if A is husband of B, then we are denoting with this symbol A positive. Here see this line, we are representing the husband, the relation husband of with this symbol. And B. My dear friends, see, we easily, if A is husband of B, then B must be the female. Is it or not? Okay, A positive, A positive. Okay, means A is husband of B. Means nothing but we easily we can understand A is male person, B is female person, and A is wife of B. Okay, same my dear friend, husband and wife. We are going to show the with same line symbol. This symbol. So, but here see A get minus and B get positive. So if you see, then see, that's it. A minus and B positive. Got the point? See here, male then positive and female then minus. Brother relation. See, we can show with by implication, by implies, and husband and wife we can show with only just line. Okay, and A is the father of B. Is a great. It is the most important relation, my dear friends. If A is the father of B, then see, easily we can say that if B is son, then we can show the positive. A is the father of B, then B might be the daughter or son. If he is son, positive. If he is daughter, we can write as minus here. Okay. See, we can understand from the A, from the father, we get the son. So that A plus, from A plus we got the B plus. So that A is the father. So we need to see the direction also, my dear students. Okay, if the direction is the here, the direction of this arrow is from A to B, so that A is the father of B. If the direction of this arrow is from B to A, then we need to consider B is the father of A. And the next, A is the mother of B. The same relation we are going to see. Then A is the mother of B. I think you might have noticed the difference of these two things. Only here A is the father of, means A must be the male. So that's why we represent A with positive. Here A is the mother of B. So as A must be the female, so that A minus. B might be the female. B might be the uh, male. So, but we have taken here male person. If it is female, then B minus should be get here. And the next, grandfather or grandmother or grandson or granddaughter. See, if A is the grandfather of B, then like this, we need to show this. Got the point? If he is the grandson, then we need to show this. So this is the relation with symbol, my dear students. See, yeah, I think you are liking this video. Everything I'm explaining very clear way. Okay, so please, if you are watching this video first time, please subscribe our channel. Please like it and please share it to your friends.